Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and find the best curators in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From where we can get started browsing all the books that are recommended to us. We can take a look at other posts by other people that we are following and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to find the best curators directly in the application. So what we're going to be using is the Explore option right here at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the screen you have your Explore tab from where we can get started browsing to find new curators that we want to follow. So let's say we want to go and find a new one. You can either use the search button directly right here at the top of the screen, or what we can do is go ahead and find them using the sections option right here. So we can click on books and this is going to enable us to take a look at the top curators. So here you have the top curators for books. You can open up any of their profiles and it's going to show you their info, their saved information, streak, and so on. All of that is going to be available right here. If you want to follow them, you can click the follow button and now you're going to go ahead and be updated with their ideas and posts. If you want to unfollow, just unfollow them. So that's how to go ahead and find the best curators in Deepstash. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.